Hello students, in my last video I told you how to solve a differential equation when it is exact. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the differential equation which is reducible to the exact form. Now if the differential equation is not exact, I have different ways to convert it to the exact differential equation. So the type 1 is the integrating factor method. What exactly we are doing? If you have an equation of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, we all know that if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, in that case it is exact and the solution is given by this. But now we are talking about a case when it is not equal. So what is this method? What I will be doing? I will be finding out the difference of both the derivatives. And I will check this difference is close to what? It is close to m or it is close to n. If it is close to m, I will divide it by m. And I will get a function in terms of y. In that case, my integrating factor will be equal to e to the power minus integral gy dy. Okay. In case my difference is close to n, then I will divide it by n and the result will be the sum function of x and my integrating factor will be e to the power integral fx dx. So this will be the working procedure. Step 1. Find out whether dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x or not. If it is equal, we know the solution. If it is not equal, I will find out the difference dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. And I will check it is close to m or it is close to n. If it is close to m, I will divide it by m. Okay, and I will get a function of y. So my integrating factor will be equal to e to the power minus integral gy dy. Same way, if the difference is close to n, I will divide it by n and I will get some function of x. And my integrating factor will be equal to e to the power integral fx dx. Now few properties of log I will be using here. For example, I know that e to the power log x is x, e to the power 2 log x is x square, minus e to the power log x is 1 by x, and e to the power n log x is equal to x to the power n. Now with this information, let us start with the question. Now suppose this is a question. So what is your m? M is 4xy plus 3y square minus x. And what is your n? N is x square plus 2xy. Correct? Now find out dou m by dou y, which is equal to 4x plus 6y. Correct? And now you find out dou n by dou x, which is equal to 2x plus 2y. Right? Clearly, these two are not equal. Right? If they are not equal, means the differential equation given of m dx plus n dy is not exact. Now, if this equation is not exact, I have to make it exact. What is the method? Find out difference. Okay. Now, difference means 4x plus 6y minus 2x minus 2y. So, this is equal to 2x plus 4y, which is equal to 2x plus 2y. Now, I should check this difference is close to what? It is close to m or it is close to n. If you observe, m has 3 terms, so nowhere it is close to our difference. But n has 2 terms, and in n, if you take x common, it becomes x plus 2y, which is matching this thing. So yes, I will be dividing it by n. So when I will divide it by n, what I will get? 2x plus 2y upon n, which is x plus 2y, which is equal to 2 by x. Right? So what is my integrating factor now? Integrating factor is e to the power integral 2 by x dx, which is equal to e to the power 2 log x and which is equal to x square. Correct? So now I should multiply the whole equation by this x square. So I will multiply my m and n because that is only required in the solution. So 4x square y square plus 3x square y square minus x cube, and n is equal to x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed y. Correct? Now what is the solution? Solution is integral m dx. You can view the previous video of exact differential equation where we have practiced how to find out the solution. So it is 4x cube y square plus 3x square y square minus x cube dx, and in this integral y will be treated as constant, plus integral n dy, the terms without x, but here both the terms has x in it, so 0 dy is equal to 0. Now integrated, what is the integration of x cube? It is x to the power 4 by 4. So 4 will get cancelled, so x to the power 4 y square. Correct? Plus here also x squared integration is x cube by 3. So 3 will get cancelled. So x cube y square minus x to the power 4 by 4 is equal to c. This is my answer. Simple. Now let's move to the next question. Now here m is equal to 2xy minus y square plus y, and n is equal to 3x square minus 4xy plus 3x. Now what is dou m by dou y? It is 2x minus 2y plus 1. What is dou n by dou x? 6x minus 4y plus 3. Clearly they are not equal, means this equation is not exact. So in that case you have to find out difference. So what is dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x? So this is 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus 6x plus 4y minus 3. So this is equal to, see, 2 minus 6 is minus 4x, minus 2y plus 4y is plus 2y, and minus 2. Correct? If I take common 2, so what is left? I am left with minus 2x plus y minus 1. Now I need to check it is close to m or n. So let me look at my m and n. If you look at the value of m, what I can take common in these three terms? I can take y common. So what is left? 2x minus y plus 1. Okay, and here I can take x common. So 3x minus 4y plus 3. Now if you compare, see, this value is close to this. If you take minus sign common here, this bracket will become same as this bracket. Correct? So I should divide it by m. So now what I'll do? I'll do 1 by m dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So it will be minus 2x minus y plus 1 upon m value is what? Y, 2x minus y plus 1. So this is minus 2 by y. So what is my integrating factor now? Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral minus 2 by y dy, and remember it is a function of y, so I should have one negative sign here. Correct? So this will become e to the power 2 log y, which is equal to y square. So this is my integrating factor. So now my job is to multiply m and n by this. So m will be equal to 2xy cube minus y to the power 4 plus y cube, and n is equal to 3x square y square minus 4xy cube plus 3xy square. Correct? And now my work is, I will apply the formula. Definitely if you want to check whether it is exact or not, it will come exact only. If you want, you can cross check. Now my answer is integral m dx plus integral n dy, but here I don't have any term without x, so this will be equal to c. Now integrate it with respect to x. So integration of x is x square by 2. 2 cancels, so x square y cube minus x y to the power 4 plus x y cube. Since y is treated as a constant, I got this type of integral. So this is my answer. Correct? Let's move to the next question. Now My m value is x square plus y square plus x. My n value is equal to xy. Now what is dou m by dou y? It is 2y, and dou n by dou x is equal to y. So it is not equal, so it is not exact. So what I will be doing? I will be doing dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, which is equal to y. Now it is close to which one? M has 3 terms but n has only single term, so definitely it is close to n. So I will do 1 by n dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, which is equal to y upon xy, which is equal to 1 by x. So clearly my integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral 1 by x dx, which is equal to e to the power log x, which is equal to x. So this is my integrating factor. So now multiply your m by this, so you will have x cube plus y square x plus x square, and n is equal to x square y. So what is the solution? Integral m dx plus integral n dy is equal to c. Since n has one term which has x, so I will have 0 here. Now integrate it. So x to the power 4 by 4 plus x square y square by 2 plus x cube by 3 is equal to c, right? So my answer is x to the power 4 by 4 plus x square y square by 2 plus x cube by 3 is equal to c. So this is my answer. Let's see one more question. Now look at this. M is equal to 2xy square plus y, and n is equal to minus x. So what is dou m by dou y? It is equal to 2 4xy plus 1, and dou n by dou x is equal to minus 1. Remember, never neglect this negative sign. Okay, now clearly it is not equal, so I should find out the difference, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So it is equal to 4xy plus 1 plus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1, which is equal to 4xy plus 2, which is equal to 2 common, so 2xy plus 1. So it is close to what? Definitely it is not close to n because n has only one term. So here if you take y common, so it will be 2xy plus 1, which is same as this one. So I should divide it by m. So I will do 1 by m dou m by dou y is minus dou n by dou x. So this is equal to 2xy plus 1 upon y 2xy plus 1. So it is equal to 2 by y. So what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral 2 by y dy, and since it is a function of y, minus will come. So e to the power minus 2 log y, which is equal to 1 by y square. Remember, negative sign will take it down. Now what is the value of m here now? So m will be equal to 2x y square by y square plus y by y square, and what will be the n value? Minus x by y square. Correct? So this will be equal to 2x plus 1 by y, and this will be equal to minus x by y square. What is the solution? Integral m dx plus integral n dy with the terms without x. Now what is the integration here? X square plus x by y is equal to c. So this is my answer. Easy? Now let's see one more question. So now next question is this one. Now I will suggest all of you to pause the video and do it yourself, and then you can cross check the answer. So what is m here? xy plus y square, and n is equal to x plus 2y minus 1. So dou m by dou y is equal to x plus 2y, and dou n by dou x is equal to 1. So dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to x plus 2y minus 1. Clearly it is exactly same as n. So I will divide it by n, which is equal to 1. Now I know when I divide it by n, I get the function of x. So my integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral 1 dx, which is equal to e to the power x. Okay. So now I will apply the form. I will multiply m and n by this. So my m is equal to e to the power x, xy plus y square, and my n is equal to e to the power x, x plus 2y minus 1. Okay, now apply the formula. So integral e to the power x, xy plus y square dx plus integral, here all the terms has in the x in it, so it will be 0 dy is equal to c. Now here you write down it like this, so it will become more easy. Since I know that y is a constant, I'll just split it into two integrals to make it easy for you. So y is a constant, so first integral will have x e to the power x dx plus, now y square is a constant, so integral e to the power x is equal to c. Now let us solve this. Y is a constant, and here you can apply by parts. If you want to see the shortcut for by parts, you can see my videos where I have taught you how to do by parts integral in seconds in a shortcut method, right? So first function, integration of second minus integral d by dx of first and double integration of second. Okay, and here in the second term plus y square, integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. So I have xy e to the power x minus y e to the power x plus y square e to the power x is equal to c. So e to the power x, if I take common, xy minus y plus y square is equal to c is my answer. Right? This by parts you can see how to do in shortcut. If you remember, I have taught you this method. Just differentiate it like this, draw the lines, plus minus, and answer is x e to the power x minus x. In seconds you get the by parts integral. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now my next question is this. Now what is m? M is 8xy minus 9y square, and n is equal to 2x square minus 6xy. Now what is dou m by dou y? 8x minus 18y. And what is dou n by dou x? It is 4x minus 6y. So now let me find out difference, because they are not equal at all. So 8x minus 18y minus 4x plus 6y. So this is equal to 4x, and this will be equal to 12 minus 12y, which is equal to 4x minus 3y. Now I need to check it is close to which one, m or n. So if you look at m, I can take y common and I am left with 8x minus 9y. It's not close to my value. Now if I look at n, I'll take 2x common and I am left with x minus 3y. Yes, this is matching with my value. So my integrating factor, to find out the integrating factor, I should divide by n. Okay, so dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divided by n is equal to 4x minus 3y upon 2x x minus 3y. So it is 2 by x, right? So what is my integrating factor now? Integrating factor is e to the power integral 2 by x dx, which is equal to e to the power 2 log x, which is equal to x square. Now multiply your m value with this. So my new m will be equal to 8x cube y minus 9x square y square, and my new n value will be 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube y. I am multiplying here and here. Okay. Now, what is the answer? Integral m dx plus integral n dy. Now integrate this. What is integration of x cube? X to the power 4 by 4. So 2x to the power 4y minus, now x cube by 3. So 3x cube y square is equal to c. So this is my answer. Right? So my answer is 2x to the power 4y minus 3x cube y square. So this is how you have to do the questions. Very simple step. Find out dou m by dou y. Find out dou n by dou x. If it is equal, we know the solution. If it is not equal, subtract it and check it is close to m or n. Divided by that, you will get a function of y or x. When you divide by n, you will get the function of x. So integrating factor will be e to the power difference, and when you divide by m, you will get the function of y. You have to remember to keep a minus sign in that case. Okay, let's move to the next question. So now m is equal to 2x square y minus xy square plus 1, and n is equal to x minus y. So dou m by dou y is equal to 2x square minus 2xy, and dou n by dou x is equal to 1. Clearly they are not equal. Find out the difference. So 2x square minus 2xy plus 1. Minus 1. Correct? So now I have to check it is close to which one. See, I forgot to keep this y. Now this is clearly close to this number m if I take y common. So 2x square minus xy plus 1. Correct? So here I will get the value. So since I have forgot to write here, so dou m by dou y when I am doing, this is plus 1. Correct? So when I am subtracting 2x square minus 2xy plus 1 minus 1, this term will go. Right? This term will go. And you will have 2x x minus y, and it is close to n. See, a silly mistake was taking me where? Okay, anyways, now since I got my silly mistake, see, whenever you are getting that it is not coming close to anyone, means you have done some silly mistake. Since I was not getting the exact thing which will get cancelled, I went back and checked where I have done a mistake, and I quickly got that I forgot to multiply this y with the 1. Okay, so now what will be my this difference term? I should divide it by n. So dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to 2x x minus y upon x minus y. So this is equal to 2x. Okay. Now what will be your integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral 2x dx. So this is equal to e to the power x square. Now this is a different type of integrating factor I got. Till now it was because of log and exponential it was going. In this case I have got something. One more question, we got e to the power x. Now multiply both m and n by this. So what is your m value now? 2x square y minus xy square plus y e to the power x square. N is e to the power x square x minus y. Let me write down the solution now. So 2x square y e to the power x square minus xy square e to the power x square plus integral y e to the power x square. This will become 0 is equal to c. So this is basically m dx I have written. Now I know y is constant, so let me take it out. So 2y integral x square e to the power x square dx. Then minus y square integral x e to the power x square. Correct? Dx. Then plus y is constant e to the power x square is equal to c. Right? Now I have to solve this integrals. So when you solve this integral, you will get your answer. Let us try to solve this integral. Now in this, remember, few terms will get cancelled because of each other. So let us try to solve this integral. Now see, what is the problem with this integral? Here you can apply the concept of beta gamma functions to get the answer, but you don't know that concept. So here I'll tell you one more thing, one additional thing which we have not got in any question till now. See, when you have any exact differential equation, so you have the option, either you do integral m dx plus integral n dy is equal to c, keeping y constant, or keeping terms without x. This is one way, right? The other way is what? You can reverse the process. You can reverse the integral. Reverse the integral means what? Ki in this you will write integral first term. When m dx you are writing, you will take the terms which are without y. So how many terms are without y? 0 terms. So this will become 0 dx and plus integral n dy I will take. So I will take e to the power x square x minus y dy, and here I will keep y constant, right? I will keep y constant. So I just reverse the role what we were doing till now, correct? Now I have to integrate this, and I have to keep in mind that not y, I have kept here when I am doing y dy, okay, when I am doing n dy. In that case, my x will be treated as constant. So here x is constant. So now if x is constant, this will not trouble me. So I can take it out, e to the power x square integral x minus y dy is equal to c. So e to the power x square, and this will become your, if you integrate it keeping x constant, so it will become xy minus y square by 2 is equal to c, right? So this will become your answer. Here I have misplaced that term, so this will be your answer. So remember what I have done. In case you get stuck in integrals, okay, in case you stuck in integrals, that time what you have to do, you have to simply swap the roles, right? So my answer is xy minus y square by 2 e to the power x square is equal to c, right? Same way we can try this question, and this question when you will solve, you will get the difference as 1 and integrating factor will become e to the power x. Like, let us quickly do it. M is equal to x minus y and n is equal to minus 1. So dou m by dou y is equal to minus 1 and dou n by dou x is equal to 0. So what is the difference? Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to minus 1, okay, which is close to n. So what I will do? 1 by n dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to minus 1 upon minus 1, which is equal to plus 1, and basically it has to be the function of x. So integrating factor is e to the power integral 1 dx. So it is e to the power x. Now I will multiply this integrating factor. So my new m will be equal to e to the power x, x minus y, okay, and n will be equal to minus e to the power x. Now this you put in the formula. So integral m dx plus integral n dy, right? Now here in this is equal to c. Now in this term, since the function has n, it will become 0, and here y is constant, right? So if y is constant, can I split it like this? X e to the power x minus y integral e to the power x, correct? Now what is the integration? First function integration of second minus integral d by dx of first and double integration of second minus y e to the power x is equal to c, right? So if I take e to the power x common, x minus y minus 1 is equal to c. So this is how you can do the question, and this is my answer. Same way, one question I'll give you for practice. This is a question, same way you solve and you will get the answer. I think this question we have done earlier, and now this is done with the topic. So we have done the exact differential equation, both the case, first case when it is exact and second case type 1 when you can make it exact by multiplying it by integrating factor. Okay, so in my next video I will talk about the next topic. If you have any doubt, you can put in the chat. I'll explain you. I'll upload the video on that. Subscribe the channel so that you will come to know when I am uploading a new video. Thank you very much.